a true classic, the gingerbread man. So many forms of this yummy treat. First, we'll need 110 gram margarine and 60 gram butter, both at room temperature, and kind of mix them together. Then add 100 gram sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of ground cloves, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 100 milliliters molasses, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and finally 1 egg, and mix this again. Now you can gradually add your 325 gram flour with 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder and knead this until you have a non-sticking dough. After resting the dough for a bit in the fridge, I spread some flour and get down to rolling this out. For a smooth surface, you'll want to use some parchment paper and roll it out that way. And then just cut out the cookies any shape you want. I called this video Gingerbread Man, but I like a wide range of different shapes. When you're done with that, carefully place the cookies onto a baking tray, and then it is time for the oven. Bake these cookies at about 170 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. But always keep an eye on them. Basically, know your oven. Every oven is different, so always be careful. While the cookies cool off, you can prepare the icing. And I must be honest, my icing recipes suck. I have tried so many different ratios and yet I end up winging it always. You basically need powdered sugar, some meringue powder for that white color, and water or lemon juice. Mix that until you get the consistency you are looking for. I like mine quite thickish, so that it kind of holds shape and yet not too dry, so that I can add sprinkles and other stuff. I put the icing into a tiny piping bag and start decorating the cookies to my heart's desire. Cue the decorating time lapse. I love making these with children and it is super fun. Do you have a cookie baking tradition in your family? Let us know in the comment section below. This was day 14, ladies and gentlemen. As usual, the recipe is in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss our next video. See you tomorrow for day 15 of our video advent calendar.